Hello friends, I am Dr. Pankaj Kumar, consultant plastic and cosmetic surgeon. Friends, we are in lockdown situation since last 4 or 5 months and now in the phase of unlock. In these days, it is very difficult for individuals to visit the doctor's clinic or hospital. Today I am going to discuss a topic that is post-burn hyperpigmentation and their remedies. Burn wounds are very common in our day-to-day household activities. But fortunately, these wounds are most of the time superficial in nature. These superficial burns do not require any specific treatment. Most of the time, they heal by itself. As far as the causative factor of these burn wound is concerned, most of the time it occurs due to heat, flame, sometimes due to irritant chemicals, sometimes due to friction. If somebody falls and drag for some distance, due to the friction, superficial type of burn can happen. Many times people apply home remedies like toothpaste or turmeric or some sort of herbal preparation over the burn wound, but it is advised not to apply any such substance. Only thing they have to do is when they sustain a thermal burn, put the burnt part under running tap water for few minutes. When the burning sensation gets subside or slightly diminished, they can apply some antibiotic ointment. If the burnt area is small, it will heal by itself, but if larger area of is burnt, then they have to visit some doctor, dermatologist or plastic surgeon. As I have already told that superficial burn heal by itself, but after healing, many a times the superficial burn produces pigmentation, that is some sort of discoloration. It varies from slight redness to dark coloration of the skin. For the prevention of these hyperpigmentation, it is better to keep those burnt part in some covering, either with clothes or some sort of vest applied over the area. Don't make these parts in the exposure of direct sunlight. Many a times burnt area itches, so avoid to make excessive itching over the area, because as you itch, the burn scar get darker and darker. And the foremost important is application of sunscreen over the pigmented area. It is advised to apply a generous thick layer of sunscreen twice daily of SPF more than 30. For these small tips, we can prevent the hyperpigmentation over the burnt area. Even after all these measures, the pigmentation persists. You can consult the dermatologist or plastic surgeon for further treatment of these pigmentation. So, in last, I am saying stay home, stay safe, best of luck. Thank you.